Crusader is a company that has some really quality assets in Brazil. We've got Washbourne. This is an asset that has 2.4 million ounces of resource, 1.6 million ounce reserve. We can take this asset through to decision to production relatively quickly, less than 12 months, we think. Jurena, this is a great asset. It's got 7 areas of mineralization. It's got some high copper intercepts near surface. We have intercepts there of over 2,000 grams. This is a great exploration asset and one we have a lot of hopes for. We think we can take that through. I love the assets. I love the destination. I think Brazil is a great place to embark on a mining project, and coming to Crusader is quite attractive. Well, the vision's quite easy. You know, the focus has to be on shareholder value, and looking at the price that Crusader has at the moment, I think there's significant upside for that. So the vision is to develop Crusader into a development and exploration company. Short term, we want to take Washbourne through into a decision to mine, so there'll be a lot of news flow around that over the next year. Jurena, we want to put quite an aggressive exploration program in place over that project. You know, having 7 areas of mineralization, we've got a bit of work to understand the structure and exactly what that entails, but we think about 30 to 35,000 meters. The drilling program will deliver an economic reserve, so we're quite excited to get going on that. And we'll be looking at Nova Astra as well to start doing some early stage work as well. Well, Brazil is a destination which I think resonates quite well in the Northern Hemisphere. I've been speaking to a number of institutions and gold funds in the UK market. There's a lot of excitement around Brazil and the opportunity to develop a gold operation down there. And by listing in London, we'll have access to a broader range of investors and capital markets than we do just in Australia. I'm not sure that's really true. You know, Australian investors are savvy investors. What they want is companies to communicate a clear path to value, if you like. And I think that's what we have in Brazil now. You know, we have Washbourne, which we now have permitted. We have infrastructure, we have interest in funding. We have Jurena, where a lot of upside exists. This is an easy story to tell, an easy story to sell. I think that this will resonate not only with the new UK investors, but also with the Australian market as well.